it's 4 a.m. Sofia Airport, sitting in a Costa Coffee that was open when we arrived, which is really convenient actually. It's a nice and bright, very modern airport, quite lively here, and the coffee shop is right next to the metro. The metro starts running at 5 a.m. so we're just going to have our coffee and then jump on the metro and hop right into the centre of town. All very seamless so far.
Apparently this will take us to the flea market. So follow the people with the bags is what the instructions said. So this is what we're doing. We've got off the bus. It's still really early in the morning. I nearly got run over by a bike just then. And I am indeed following the people with the bags. So we're still following the herd. We were told follow the people with the bags. So there's a gentleman with some flowers there. The people with the bags. Walking down, we've taken the bus to the furthermost part of Sofia, in the middle of nowhere really, and now we're just walking along. Oops, there he goes. Struggling a bit with the bags, there's a bit of a bag struggle going on there. Just carry on, nothing to see here. I now am about to sample my very first banitsa. Crumbly, crispy pastry, flaky pastry, puff pastry. Very much like a borek. Very salty, tangy cheese. Loads and loads of salty, tangy cheese. Lovely, crispy, golden pastry. It is delicious. Yum, yum, yum.
Yum, yum, yum.
Handmade no machine, Sofia, Sofianka, Bulgaria. Handmade Super. Studentka. Marty Shore, Martyniczka.
from the metro through the financial district. We happened to pass this amazing, well, it was an amazing scent of a barbecue and some rather nice kind of rock jazz music playing out, and we stumbled upon this place, which is really lovely. The food is great, the staff are friendly, lots and lots of meat, lots and lots of spices. And they do beer as well, what a touch. So what have we got here?
We've got a plate of meat.
Plate of meat, and it's huge, oh my god.
In the suburbs of Sofia,
Yeah.
next to a railway
Look at that,
line, flyover, middle of a housing estate,
Yeah.
beautiful little garden here
Yeah.
with meat.
And
they sell
beer. And these
Sun
lovely
shining.
spuddy things, lovely spud potatoes as well. Just when you thought Sofia couldn't get more interesting, we were walking along after enjoying our lovely barbecued lunch, and we happened upon this garden, which is the garden of apparently the Socialist Art Gallery, and it's a place where all the old Soviet symbols, the statues, the monuments have basically been placed, and there are tons of them, dozens and dozens of them.
here we are at Sofia's biggest and oldest market, the women's market, the very famous, for good reason. Look at the produce, it's absolutely immense. Look at the size of these wonderful fresh spring onions. All the produce here, homegrown, beautiful. Massive oranges, juicy ripe tomatoes, loads of wonderful vegetables. Let's go and walk further down and have a proper look. All kinds of oil here, the best quality olive oil, all kinds of different oil, nuts, dried prunes, look at the shiny glossy dried prunes there, dates, all this honey, lovely beautiful honey. You know, you couldn't ask for better quality produce and better surroundings than this. These little grill places that you see everywhere. Lovely grill food.
Okay, this one. Yeah. This one here.
No, te máximo. No, con más que son todos que se nombran de